video is not a tutorial, it's not a how-to, it's just me trying out faux locks on my twin sister hair for the first time to see how it looks. I didn't add any weave to her braids. All I did was her own hair lift. It didn't take many hours to do, but I think I did okay for my first try. This is the finished look of her hair. I started off with box braiding her hair each row. I started to wrap each braid with the Marley hair. I forget which one it is, but I'm gonna try to list it in the description box below, but I know we got it from the beauty supply store. I know this wasn't really a full lift video, but this is how the hair turned out before I started adding the color strings. Don't mind her face right here. She was tired, so she was acting up. She had to get up in the morning, but she wanted her hair done. She wanted me to try this. I'm so happy that I did. Thank you, twin. I love you. I hope you guys liked this video. To say this video I made months ago, but now my sister, she cut all her hair off to a very low cut to start her new hair journey. If you'd like to see that video, stay tuned to my next upload. This video and you want to see more of me, subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you in my next video.